Question 15. Reuben bought 2 bars of chocolate and 44 jelly snakes. The chocolate bars cost 84 pence each and the jelly snakes cost X pence each. Part A, write down an expression for the total cost in pence. So Reuben bought 2 bars of chocolate and the chocolate, so 2 bars at 84 pence for the chocolate and 44 jelly snakes at X pence each. So for the chocolate was 2 times 84. I'm going to use a calculator there. 2 times 84 on a calculator is 168. And the jelly snakes, okay, they were 44, so that's 44 jelly snakes multiplied by X. Okay, they cost X pence each. So 44 multiplied by X we write as 44X. Remember, it has an invisible multiplication symbol in there. So an expression, these are the two terms. Okay, write down an expression for the total cost is 44X plus 168. Reuben spent £5.20 altogether. Write down an equation and solve it to find the cost of 1 jelly snake. Now in part A we wrote an expression in pence. We're given in part B £5.20, so let's change that £5.20 into 520 pence. So for our first mark is to write down an equation. Well, we know that Reuben, the expression that we've got is 44x plus 168. So that is how much he spent using x, which is our unknown number because we don't know how much the jelly snakes cost. But he spent a total of 520 pence. So that's our equation for 1 mark that we've written down. We now need to solve that. We have a calculator to solve it. We want to get 44x on its own. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 168 from both sides. So if we take 168 from both sides, we'll be left with 44x is equal to 520 subtract 168. Again, we're going to use our calculator to work that out to give us the answer of 352. Now, 44, so we now know that the jelly snakes, so we took away the cost of the chocolate bars there. So the 44 jelly snakes cost 352 pence. So we want to find the cost of 1 jelly snake. So what we need to do is we need to divide the 352, divide it by 44. We divide both sides by 44 because it's an equation and we balance it. So x, the cost of the jelly snake, is equal to 352 divided by 44, and that is equal to 8. So the cost of our jelly snake is 8 pence.